Hello, everyone. We are going to go ahead and get started today. Thank you for joining us. For all of our agencies and fractional CMOs who are on the call today, we are going to talk about a smarter way to deliver social ads and how to pair social ads up and all of the data and insights and learnings you can get from a paid search campaign. So we're hoping that you're excited today. If you're running ads in-house, you're using another media vendor, or maybe you're thinking about getting into the social ad game because you have clients, then there's a demand for that particular tactic. Today, we're going to talk about some ways that you have the ability to streamline through smart optimization technology and sales optimization technology to make your campaigns go further, make your clients' dollars go further, and get to the objectives that they're looking for to generate an ROI. So we are going to dive in here in just a second, some housekeeping. As questions come up throughout today's presentation, please put those in the chat. In the chat dropdown, make sure that's selected to host, panelists, and all attendees. We want everybody to see those questions just in case others have the same questions. So put those into the chat. We'll answer them throughout today as we go, and then we'll have a section at the end where we can also answer some questions if you guys want to come off mute. So we're going to go ahead and dive in today. Facebook, Instagram, and advertising challenges. This is really where we're going to start off. So as you're running campaigns, some questions may come up. There may be some areas of challenges that you are forced to think through. Some of those could be, I'm not sure if I completely understand how our social ad campaigns are actually contributing to our client success. What is this driving? What are these tactics driving? Are they driving more leads? Are they generating sales? And how do we effectively track that? Now, some of you may be saying, oh, we're doing that through analytics. We have multi-channel conversions that are set up, and that's fantastic. But if you do, you're probably recognizing that a lot of the traffic when you launch a Facebook campaign, your analytics traffic overall will go up. You'll see a lot of direct traffic go up, but those JavaScripts, they don't really talk well together. That's not a beautiful marriage and relationship. So what you're probably seeing is your direct traffic will go up, and not all of your social traffic is being captured in analytics appropriately to the correct source. So it can make it a real headache to optimize campaigns, to know which audience groups are working best and which tactics are working best. So we're going to show you how to take that guesswork out today. You may also be thinking about different objectives. So there's a lot of different ad types, and you have to set up ad types based on the goal that you're looking for, right? So what are you looking for these different ads to do? Are you looking to create engagement or brand awareness? Are you looking to drive leads or sales for your clients? And then how much do I actually spend on all these different objectives and tactics? Do I know which audience groups work best for those different tactics, and how much do I spend on those different audience groups? And then how do I know exactly what's working? Are you set up as an agency with enough overhead, with enough individuals that are working there that are experts in analytics and experts in social ads to be able to monitor these campaigns and make changes quickly for your clients in real time so that they're pulling different levers and understanding what's working and which changes they have to make to amplify results? So if these are some of the challenges or headaches that you're experiencing, you are not alone. Every day we talk to agencies across the country, fractional CMOs, in-house marketing teams, and just regular advertisers who are experiencing all of these different challenges. And a lot of that comes down to the complication behind social ads. There are so many different objectives and ad types. And depending on what your client is looking for, you're having to put guesswork into this. Should I be running website clicks, and for which audiences? Maybe carousel creatives could work better, but I'm not sure if that's accurate or not, or how much to spend on those. Or how do I know that that carousel ad actually then generates a sale for my customer's site? So ads can be very, very complicated. Now, let's take that one step further. If you're running directly out of Ad Manager with Facebook, a bigger headache you may be experiencing is your invoicing, because invoices get broken out by all these different ad types and ad subsets. They're not always broken out individually and beautifully by customers. So you're having to marry up invoices and how much ad spend happened. And so that in itself can be an internal nightmare. But when it comes to the advertising itself within these ads, It's very complicated, and each of these different ad objectives or types can have different audience groups to them, different budgets. Maybe they link to your website. Maybe you're trying to have some downloads. Maybe you have a booking button. So there's so many different ways that you can leverage these ads, but it can be really cumbersome and complicated and overwhelming. So how do you simplify? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. And we're going to introduce you to Smart Ad Optimization. So Smart Ad Optimization technology is a proprietary technology that Local IQ has created in order to simplify a social marketing strategy. So essentially, we're taking the business goals of your advertisers and we're putting those at the forefront. We're making sure that your customers' goals are the most important objective that we're trying to get to. And then our technology does what no human can actually do. And that is it will optimize the budget across multiple ad objectives and campaigns all seamlessly at one time in order to make your campaigns more effective. And what it also does is it will incorporate search marketing campaigns and the leads you're getting from paid search for your clients into these same Facebook campaigns. Facebook doesn't even have that technology. We have a seat at the table with them when we're showing them these innovative ideas because of our technology partnership with them. And this technology will help you drive more effective campaigns and generate a stronger ROI for your clients. Essentially making those ad dollars go further and at times allowing you to then invest those dollars into other marketing mixes that are going to be beneficial to your clients. So what is smart optimization technology exactly? And how does it work? Well, we collaborated with our partners at Facebook to create something that they don't even have yet. Social ads with smart optimization technology is focused around our clients' goals, not just the tactics. So what this technology will do is it will learn and adjust budget automatically to meet goals for your clients. And it completely eliminates that human guesswork that we're often having to implement or having to work through in order to optimize campaigns. So what it does is it'll allow that budget to move across multiple tactics at one time, gain reach, gain engagement, and drive contacts for your clients, which ultimately generates a higher ROI. So our proprietary AI technology actually will perform across all those different ad sets that we just talked about in order to generate a higher performance for your clients. Now, let's talk about how we can take that one step further. We also have added in our affinity audience technology to our social ad offerings now. And this allows us to take guesswork out of identifying who your perfect audience is. So if you're running campaigns in-house right now, you're probably diving into Ad Manager and you're building out ads based on personas that you believe would be best. You're looking at different genders, you're looking at different geographical and interest information, and you're building out these great personas. But we want to take it one step further and we want to look at an exact audience that is going to drive success for your clients. So what our cross solution targeting does is it actually takes search marketing leads and we ingest that data automatically, creating a data-informed lookalike audience for your social ads that now you can leverage across Facebook and Instagram. So that lookalike audience for people who've already contacted and done business with your clients allows us to identify those customer profiles for targeting and will help us simplify our campaign setups and ultimately make sure your budget go further for your clients, makes your results become amplified, and it will help multiply all of those different results that you're trying to bring to your clients that they're demanding of us now, particularly the more and more digital becomes trackable, right? Clients are always holding our feet to the fire for results. So we want to make sure that we're able to give them that. And this new technology that we have allows you to do that. So how exactly does this work? Well, first, we work with you and your clients to identify their objectives. So what do I mean by an objective? I'm not talking about the objectives that are in Facebook's platform. I don't mean the lead or the ad type. I don't mean video ads. I don't mean lead ads. I don't mean website clicks when I'm talking about an objective. I'm talking about your client's KPI. So are they looking to generate more leads? Are they looking to grow their brand awareness and reach? Or are they trying to increase engagement and ultimately visits to their site, which convert into sales or maybe appointments, white paper downloads, form fills, etc. So those are the objectives we work with you on. And then we set up in our platform those objectives. We look at different hierarchies and which ones are going to be the most important and valuable for your clients. From there, we utilize search marketing leads to create a lookalike audience. So we launch these campaigns together, or we take current data that you already have, and we create this audience profile, and we're able to find others who look just like these individuals who've already converted for your clients. So we do that based on where they're located. We do that based on their age, their gender, and even data that we're collecting through site retargeting ads. So as we're collecting this and uploading this data seamlessly into our technology, the technology will learn what's working best. So they look at the audiences that are working best, they look at the ad types that are working best and different objectives, and then our platform will automatically shift budget to drive to those different objectives and ad types that are working best for the audiences that convert best for your clients. So we kind of package all of this up, right? And all of our ads can be shown across Facebook's network, Instagram, and even FAN, that Facebook audience network that incorporates display into their campaigns. So we began this process in beta mode, and I'll show you some initial results. So our Smart Ads beta sample, there's some different business categories that are on the left, you can see. And in that next column, so I'm going to look at this swim school, this first one here. So this was one of the businesses that we worked with, and you can see their cost per lead on a single objective in Facebook was $300. Well, when we added their campaign into our Smart Ad technology platform, their lead cost went down to $13. So you can see here for each of these categories where we've notated the decrease in cost per lead that our clients were seeing, or if they had an increase in leads. So you can see here we had a carpet business and a car dealership that weren't getting leads before at all through their different Facebook campaigns that they were running. And we were able to increase their lead format and give them a jumping off point so they understood what a good CPL was for them. Now, if you're an agency and you're going, wow, car dealership, that makes me think, I do want you to think about if you have car dealerships out there, we do have some very specific social ad technology and campaigns that are specific to auto dealers, which also include direct feeds of their inventory into Facebook, along with smart ad optimization. So if you have car dealers out there, we've got some great solutions for them as well. But here are some initial results that we saw. And as you can see, our cost per leads are being driven down. And when that happens, it allows the budget to go further, and it allows you to have more robust conversations with your clients about results that they're actually getting from the marketing plans that you're putting in place for them. So here's another example. This is a weight loss client. And you can see here, this is a small budget that they started off with. So their goal was to increase contacts. They wanted to get more people contacting their business, whether that was a form fill, people getting maps and directions to their location, somebody having a phone call or a chat session. Through a chat box, they wanted more contacts. They had a limited budget. You can see here, we're working with $1,500 budget. So I don't want you to feel like in order to get some sort of amplified technology out there for your clients and to run better campaigns, that the budgets need to be astronomical. They don't. So we work with small to medium-sized businesses across the country. It's 80% of the businesses that we work with through agencies. So this is very normal for us. So this $1,500 budget that we had, we were able to drive down their cost per contact to a $31 cost per contact. And you can see here, they were at a city level for their targeting. And that just means this wasn't a national campaign. This wasn't a statewide campaign. It was specific to their DMA or city proper area. Pretty wide range of age there, 26 to 64, and men and women. And we were able to capture information such as their full name, their email, their phone number, and their zip codes. So we have all this information. So now we're able to ingest data even more, but you can see here, out of 634 clicks for this $1,500 budget, we were able to provide them 48 contacts and 39 form fills, which was huge for this particular group and for that budget that we were able to implement. So I do want you guys, as you're thinking about your clients, as you're thinking about who this would be a good fit for, if you're a part of our agency affiliate program, or even if you haven't done business with us before and you're just here to learn, this is a great solution in order to drive better results for your clients. So what's the difference between this type of technology for smart ad optimization? Well, the biggest difference is the goal targeting, which we talked about before. So instead of choosing an objective for an ad, we don't care about the ads. We don't care about what an ad objective is set up for in Facebook. What we care about are your clients' goals, the business's goals themselves. So that's what we're trying to focus on. So our entire technology is around that. What is going to drive contacts, grow reach, increase engagement, or increase sales for your clients? And then how do we create a technology that rolls up all of these tactics and goals together and seamlessly optimizes to what our clients' goals are going to be and moves that budget around based on results and the traction that they're getting? So that is the difference, is it rolls everything all up into one, and it takes that human element and guesswork out of the campaign and the technology. Now, the additional add-on that we're providing and that our developers have built out is that we can ingest that search marketing lead data, which is fantastic because now you get even more amplified. Imagine being able to take all that audience data from people who are at the very bottom of a consumer funnel, the people who are making or the most likely to make an immediate conversion, and we model that data off of them. So that is one more add-on that you get as part of this. So the technology is unique, it's proprietary, and you can't get it anywhere else, including a partnership with Facebook. So this is something that we're building out and we're sharing with them, but no one else has it yet. So you do have this technology at your fingertips. Now, if you're already part of our affiliate program, what you probably know is we do have that seat at the table with Facebook. We do have developers and innovators and data scientists on staff that are continually updating our technology, but you also know that you get these Blueprint certified experts and social media experts at your fingertips. We assign them to our agency accounts. You're able to talk with them, to pick their brains, and to help build out beautiful campaigns for your clients, regardless of how niche or how common their business may be, and the same thing with their goals. Now, we also provide you extremely measurable results, and I'm going to show you what that reporting looks like and that dashboard looks like in a little bit. But before we go there, I want to talk to you about one more set of technology, and this is sales technology. So we have another layer to our tech within social ads. And what we can do is optimize to sales data. And this is really exciting. So if you have clients who have online or offline sales data, we can utilize that data to amplify your ad campaigns. So it allows you to power all of your online campaigns through social advertising, through actual customer data and sales transaction data that's already happened, which allows you then to optimize for more sales. And we can show you which ad groups, which audiences, and what types of ads are actually generating more sales for you. And then the same thing we talked about before, we will seamlessly move that budget around through technology. So with this technology, we look at three pillars. So very similar to our optimization technology, except this is sales driven. So the optimization technology we talked about before is driven by goals. So what are the goals that we input? Do we want leads? Do we want engagement? Do we want to have more online conversions, depending on what those are? So again, a form fill, maybe a white paper download, maybe a chat box. But that's not what this technology is. This takes it a step further, and it's all built around sales. So we take that sales data, and that allows us to understand who our audience should be. And then similar to before, we optimize your budgets across all those different tactics to what is driving your different sales goals. And then we'll show you what that actually looks like. So this precision targeting that we're talking about here really allows us to amplify and allows us to look at what have you already generated and what's that online and offline sales transaction first party data. And that allows us to guide our ad targeting. to the individuals who are more likely to create a conversion of sales. So we look at lookalike modeling, right, to engage users who have similar attributes. If they've already converted or they've already been to your site, we will target them. We try to re-engage them to be a repeat customer. So this allows us to build out a really, really sound data-driven campaign and architecture, so that when we launch a campaign and as we optimize it moving forward, we know that the decisions we're making are driven by data. And then we use our intelligent optimization that we already talked about before to make sure we're combining all of that rich sales data with all of the data that lives within Facebook to create really robust audiences and make sure that technology gets leveraged to its fullest potential. So as we move forward, what you'll begin to see is that dollars are distributed across a lot of different campaigns and a lot of different ad types, but that budget will move depending on which ones are actually delivering new sales data. So day over day, we are looking at different optimizations, different triggers that get pulled, and that budget gets reallocated to what's delivering sales in real time for your customers. So no more of waiting 30 days, no more having to wait to export data, look at what that sales looks like, try to manually match up sales to create a matchback report, and then change audience types or ad types to what's working best. This happens seamlessly for you, and it allows us to drive efficiency because we're optimizing towards what makes the highest conversion for you, which is great. So imagine you're getting sales or you have customers that generate a higher ROI based on their goals. So what I mean by that is, imagine if you're a medical spa and you know that somebody who sets up an appointment online to come in for a visit, that person may be a higher value to you than just a lead, a phone call, or a chat box inquiry. Well, we will start to optimize campaigns towards booking appointments if that's where we're seeing the highest value for your clients, but also really great engagement, really good conversion rates there. So we're looking at different goals that are set up for your clients. We're looking at different triggers on a website and what's actually happening in order for that optimization to take place. And it's all based around sales data that's automatically feeding in. So you may be asking yourself, well, how exactly does this work? Well, we work with you as an agency to help you export your clients' data. So we look at offline and online sales data. So if they have an e-commerce site, we can collect from there, but we can also look at any sales data that they have in a point of sale purchase system or a CRM system. So we can export all of that, and then we set up your goals. So we look at what are the different goals that your customer really wants to drive. So again, based on what type of business model they have, they could be looking for leads, applications, maybe certain types of content they want individuals to view. Maybe it's actually online purchases or setting up an appointment. So it doesn't matter what that goal is, we will create a hierarchy of goals within our system so that we are driving success to your clients, depending on what that success may look like for them. So we try to make this as painless as possible for you. And then of course we provide transparent reporting. So that may be something that you're looking at and you're going, I just don't know what's working. I can see an influx of traffic coming in from Facebook. I have some minimal insights that it's giving me, but I don't necessarily know everything that's happening. Well, we can help you see that. So through our client-centered tracking, Facebook may be tracking who's clicking on your ads, but what we can actually see is taking that data one step further. And we look at what's actually creating attribution and what's driving results for you. And then we will report on that so that you understand which elements are performing, what that performance looks like, what's working best. And that way you can have strategic and robust conversations with your clients. All right, so you may be thinking right now, so who does this actually work for? So let's look at budget first. So you can see here, we start off at $1,500. So for $1,500, most of your clients will be a fit for this, right? So we take clients anywhere from those small SMBs, maybe 5 to 15 employees, all the way up to major organizations and corporations across the United States and beyond. So regardless, 1,500 is the minimum budget, but regardless of that size of business, we can really work with any of your clients. The verticals that we've seen work best are your retail customers, education services. So if you're working with any trade schools, higher education systems, even online education, do really well in that vertical. Home services. So as you're thinking about home services, the reason this category works so well is that first optimization technology we talked about is all about goal-driven technology, particularly leads. So when you're thinking about home services, your HVAC companies, your landscaping companies, maybe pool and spa, your roofers, anything in those different home service categories perform phenomenally. So if you're ever running into issues or you're struggling or you think, you know what, we run paid search campaigns for some of these categories and we feel like we've exhausted our lead budget and we can't really get and garner more leads. So we're doing a lot of brand awareness. We can help you work through that. We can help you find other levers to pull, particularly within social and through our optimization platforms that will help you target and amplify some of these lead-based businesses and bring them to the next level. And then that takes me to professional services. So our professional services group, we do really well with as well. So if you have clients that are real estate clients, or maybe they're in the legal sector, those work beautifully. So again, anything that is really a lead-based organization or company, or a company that is looking to drive specific sales, this is a great technology platform for them. Now, you can see we do have to have actual customer data if we're going to have a sales optimization goal. So the first technology we talked about that's all about campaign optimization and fulfillment, we don't have to have CRM data for that. So if you're working with clients who don't necessarily have a point of sale system, or they don't have CRM data of their current customers, that's okay. But if they're going to run a sales optimization goal, we do have to have that data and we have to be able to receive that data. Now, if you don't have a way to extract that and create a feed, we can set up a secured FTP site that encrypts the data for your clients in order to protect the privacy of any of their customers. So I don't want you to feel like there isn't a way to run this type of campaign. If they don't have a feed of some sort set up, that's okay. We can help work with you for that. Now you will see a note at the bottom of this slide that says not recommended for businesses that have a longer sales cycle. So that is absolutely correct. So some of your accounts or some of your clients may be a much longer sales process. Maybe it's 6 months, 9 months. Some clients we work with are even up to 18-month sales cycles. That's okay, but this may not be the right fit for them. So this sales optimization goal is really built around individuals, consumers who are going to make a purchasing decision within that 30-day time period. That allows for the best optimization. So it doesn't mean that we can't run an optimization campaign around leads, around contacts or downloads or form fills, but actual sales optimization, we really need that sweet spot to be within 30 days in order for you to get the most out of this technology platform. So a couple of things just to think about there. So as we move forward, attribution and reporting. So many of you want to know what exactly is driving sales, right? And that's what your clients are holding your feet to the fire on. So we provide transparent reporting that is going to allow you to accurately attribute sales to your different digital campaigns. And it'll allow you to understand what types of leads are being driven and where those leads are coming from. So we can see the different ad types that are driving leads, the different audience groups that are driving leads. And then again, our systems will optimize to that, but you want to see it in your reporting. So we are able to provide that to you. So we will provide reports on sales delivered as a result of engagement and clicks to your campaigns. That will also include conversion metrics. So what percent of traffic are we sending to your site that then ultimately converts? We can show you an ROI value. And a cost per conversion or cost per lead value. So that way you can have really robust conversations with your clients and you can prove to them all the hard work that you're doing and why they're utilizing you as an agency because you're partnered with some of the best vendors in the world. We also look at how to accurately measure and report on that sales attribution data. So sometimes It's not always crystal clear. Sometimes people try to roll everything up, right? And I'm sure as an agency, you're familiar with that. You launch a small campaign with someone, and then all of a sudden they want to take credit for all the lift of your marketing. We're all in that. It makes sense if you're the only person that somebody's doing business with, you are going to take credit for any lifts that you see. But sometimes customers aren't necessarily comfortable with that, right? They want us to prove the value that we're actually bringing to them, and we're able to do that so you can have some really robust conversations. So Client Center. If you're part of our affiliate program, you're probably familiar with Client Center. Client Center is a reporting dashboard that we put all of our different advertisers in. Now, we do have some other dashboards depending on if there's a unique need. So we can build out some other reporting for you. However, this is what our standard dashboard looks like. So what we're able to report on is, one, we can send notifications to your clients. So within this dashboard, if you're running a Facebook or Instagram lead campaign, you can get those leads automatically emailed to you, but you can also have them populate in this dashboard. So if your clients have somebody who's handling leads, they want to log into this on a daily basis, they can do that. What they're able to do then is respond to the leads. You get to see an entire lead section where those leads came from. You can also move contacts over into a different section of this tool, and it'll allow you to deploy, or your clients to deploy, email marketing messages to those same contacts to stay front and center with them. So it's a really cool dashboard, allows you to see everything that's going on. But what's also neat is for the agencies or fractional CMOs who are on this call, you'll notice at the top of this dashboard in the top left-hand corner, it says Local IQ. What we do for our agencies is we can white label this dashboard for you. So say you maybe don't want your clients or customers to know that you're outsourcing to certain vendors. That's okay. We can be behind the scenes. We still want to help you have reporting calls. We can work as an extension of your agency, but we can white label this dashboard for you. So if you're an agency who wants to see all of your campaigns rolled up into one dashboard, you can do that. And then your individual clients get access to their own section of their dashboard, and it would have your agency name at the top. So it's a complete reporting dashboard presented to your clients with all of the metrics in there for any of their digital campaigns that they're running, along with which campaigns are driving leads to them. And it allows them to have a really robust platform that they can log into. So if you're a part of our agency affiliate program, or if you're an agency that works with us and you don't have a white label dashboard, and this is something that you're interested in, make sure you talk to your representative about that, because they can get you set up with this. So as we move forward, one of the other areas that we show are performance reports within our Client Center. So you can see here, this is a quick little snapshot. So you can get a high level overview, everything that you see in Facebook and Instagram for the insights of your campaign get funneled into this section. So we're not letting you lose anything. We don't want you to feel like you have to log into multiple platforms. What you see in Facebook, you are going to see in this dashboard, and then more. You're going to get to see advanced details about the audience that's responding to the ads, all the different marketing analytics, what's driving reach, impressions, clicks, and also who those individuals are that are actually making contacts within this. Now, you may be asking yourself, well, what if I have a legal client? What if I have a medical client and they fall under HIPAA, or they're a subcategory that's a protected category? That's okay. We actually have HIPAA compliant dashboards. So what we do is we encrypt the information so that way any of our staff members or employees who are working on campaigns, they can't necessarily see lead data that came in for a healthcare entity. But on our client side, so on the customer side, that healthcare organization would be able to log in and see that information. So we do encrypt portions of our reporting dashboard in order for them to be HIPAA compliant, so that you feel good and your customers feel good about the reporting that they're getting. So the last part that I'm going to talk about is what you get as an agency. So when you're working with us and you're partnered with us, you do get all of our proprietary technology at your fingertips. You have the option and the ability to use all of our fantastic proprietary technology that is cutting edge, that allows us a seat at the table, whether it's Facebook, whether it's our partners at Google, Yahoo, or Bing, or any of our different programmatic partners that we work with. So we're constantly building out award-winning technology, and you get this at your fingertips, so we don't charge you for usage of that technology. Next is your transparent reporting. I know this is a really big headache for agencies. I talk to you guys all the time, and I hear, wow, I just can't get what I need, or my reports are too high level. And when I try to get more niche reports, more advanced reports on audience, different metrics, then my media vendors are trying to charge me for that, for customized reports. Don't worry about that. We don't do that. We give you transparent reporting. There's information and data that we can find about your campaigns that don't funnel automatically into our reporting dashboards. We will pull that for you, but we're not charging you for data that exists around your own campaigns. You get that information. We utilize it to help you amplify your other marketing needs and your clients' campaigns across the board, regardless if they're doing work with us or not. And then social ad expertise. As I talked about before, we are ad innovators. So we're technology partners. We're constantly building out technology for our partners like Facebook and Instagram. When it comes to other social ads, we do play in TikTok, LinkedIn, and we are the sales force for Snapchat across the United States. So we have a lot of social ad expertise on building platforms, selling platforms, and managing campaigns through those. So not only do we have all this machine learning, but we do have expertise and a human element to touch your campaigns to help you understand what's going on and make sure that we're always running optimally for your clients. So I'm going to take a pause. That is today's presentation. I saw a few questions come into the host chat box. I have answered those thus far. So I don't know if anybody has any additional questions. I don't see those in right now. So at this time, if we don't have any additional questions, I will thank you for coming today. You have marketing partners who invited you. Please reach out to them if you have any questions about the platforms or technology we talked about today. If you want to learn more, if you want to see a live demo, reach out to us. We'd be happy to connect.